Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to Plasticity as always, right? So today we're going to be modeling an object where I honestly don't know what it's called. I kind of call it a key, but I know that it's carried by firefighters if they have to unlock an obstacle that's blocking a road. So let me know in the comments what the real name is, right? Anyway, that's what we're going to model. So we're going to start by getting rid of this, hit X to delete that. And I'm going to start out by creating a cylinder. So I'm going to go in here, we're going to jump to this view, snap, pull that out until we're somewhere around here. And then what we're going to do is hit S for scale, pull it out. I would say that's about right. Okay, cool. Now we're going to jump to our top view and I'm going to hit a G to move it. And let's move it to about there. That's fine. Then we're going to go and make the actual key part, if you will. So for that, we're going to go in here. We're going to grab a polygon. We're going to click in the middle. And I'm just going to pull it out a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. Right now I have 5 sides. So if I hold down Shift and middle mouse scroll, I can make it bigger or smaller. Let's go with 8, that's fine. Let's bring that down and align it a little bit. A little bit bigger. There you go. So we have that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to face mode. We're going to click on it. We're going to push this down to about there. We're going to hide the polygon. In solid mode, click on the outside here. We're going to hit Q. We're going to click on the inside object and we're going to click on OK. So we have that section. Then what we're going to do is go into edge mode. Click on this, this, and all of that. And we should be able to get the whole thing. Apparently not. Looks like I need to select all of them. And I'm wondering whether I should do all of them. Why not? Just to break that surface a little bit, right? And we did that one as well, so it's all good. Okay, so now that I have one of these, I'm going to duplicate them. So this is our angle, that's the opening, right? Yep. So, and it's positioned right there. So what we're going to do next is radial ray. We're going to click on the center right here. Go in here and turn that into 4. So we've got 4 of these, and let's just check. Yeah, it's all good. 4 of these, and then we're going to combine them in the middle, right? So how do we do that? We're going to grab another cylinder, and we're going to go to this view. Let's do something like that. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit G to move it. And we're going to jump to our top view because I want that to be perfectly aligned. We're going to hit scale. Could be a better way to do that. I think I just need to repeat it. That would probably be the quickest way. Solid mode. S once again. Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna push that in just a tiny bit, like that. And then we are going to hit Shift D to duplicate it. R to rotate. Flip it around. Set that to 90 degrees, of course, so it's going around perfectly. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to shift like these two guys. We're going to hit Q, and then we're going to do a union. So now I can go in, grab those middle edges, and do something like this so it looks welded. That's good. And then we're going to go and add these solids. So I hit Q again, union. There we go. And from here, if you like, you can go into edge mode. Let's build them like that. And then you have what I call a key, right? So again, let me know in the comments what you call it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had some fun. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.